What's happening, Kinfolk? Welcome back to channel TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is the day we go to Colorado. And this trip almost didn't happen. We were having some issues with the tire back here on Melo's car, the follow car, and yeah. So we didn't get to leave at 3 this morning like we were supposed to. This is Sunday, 6:25. And we were supposed to leave at 3 this morning, but we didn't get to do that. So we didn't leave till 10 something. Yeah, 10, almost 10:30. So we're a couple hours in. We're in Centerville, I think, right? So from here, we're heading to Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, and then we're gonna stay up a little bit further than that and stay the night there, and then head into Colorado tomorrow. So we're about 8 hours behind than what we thought we would be at, but we're doing it. We got, of course, the brother-in-law here with us, Chad Brown. We got Joel. And then, of course, we got his son here also, Jaxiel. Jaxiel right here. And then we got the sister-in-law. She made it too. Look at that there. So, yeah, man. So we're going to go ahead and hit it up. We're going to hit these streets. We're going to hit them hard. We're going to hit them fast. And then we're going to try to get to Cadillac Ranch before sunset. See you in a little bit.
They're thinking, but it's 107 degrees over here. Let's go take a look.
All right, folks. Holy cow. We have made it to Henrietta. I guess that's the name of it. That's what that Best Western says. We stopped at this little gas station, pecan shed. And let me tell you, Gabriel, it's hot. Joel, let's ask his son, Jay. Oh wait, he's in the car. That's when he went inside the car.
He over here.
Hey, is it hot, bruh?
Nope. He's like, he watching a movie.
Right.
Daddy, that's me if it was hot.
Is it hot?
Nope, it's all cool and everything.
Yeah, all right. So look, let me tell you something, man. Whenever they say that, if it's hot outside, and they say, well, it's hot, but then when you get on the motorcycle, it's not that bad. What they say, Gabriel? I bullshit. Yeah, bullshit. When it's hot, over 100 degrees, man, it's hot no matter what. Oh my gosh. So we had to stop one more time. We're probably gonna get to Cadillac Ranch about 8:30 now. But I mean, you riding and it's just like an oven. It's crazy hot. No matter what you do, try to situate my legs to get more air. The more air I get, the hotter it is. That's all it is. It's just crazy. So we're gonna keep going though. Hopefully we don't have to stop again. Hopefully we can make it all the way there. And time check is 4:19. Shit, we still got another 4 hours. Yeah, no, we'll be stopping again. So we'll see you in a little bit. And hopefully next time you see us, we're not all sprawled down on the ground passed out. Heat exhaustion. See you! All right, but we made it to Cadillac Ranch. We are here. We're walking up to it now. Yeah. Oh, you can't even see it. Let me see it up there. So once we get over there, I'll show you what it looks like. You've never been here, man. It's really cool. So they got these Cadillacs dug off into the ground, nose in, and you get to paint them. You just come over here, paint them out, draw some stuff, put your name, whatever you want to do. So we're gonna go check it out. This is my first time here. You've been here before.
Yep.
Melo's been here. Y'all's first time, Gabriel?
First time.
So Gabriel and Letty's, and then Joel. Y'all's first time too, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't been nowhere.
Joel said he ain't been nowhere. So let's go check it out, and we'll show you what it's all about.
There's so much. Look at all that already fell off.
Yeah, oh yeah, look how thick they are, dude. So if you go right here, all this is just layers and layers of paint. Look at that. Just so thick. That's insane. Insane. Super cool though.
Huh. Hold on. You ready to get coffee? Hey, baby, you can see the paint.
Hello, Mello. I am, baby. YouTube. Check it out.
Dr. G. There we go over here.
You can't even tell.
Yeah, you can tell. You can tell on the thing. Dr. G right there. Uh-huh. Letty?
I have my assistant to do it for me.
I know, I see that.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Babe, when you get a chance, let me take a picture right here.
Oh, hey. We need a hashtag Dirty Dozen over here, man. Alright, then, folks. That's it. Look, day one. Time check. 11:57.
Ooh.
How long have we been on the road, man?
Since 10.
10 o'clock this morning, so over a 12-hour day. Holy shit. And we felt that the heat is what tortured us, man. Holy cow. But then once we got over here to Amarillo, it cooled down. Probably about 10 degrees. It was down in the 80s. And then once we got coming to the hotel in Delhart, here in Delhart, it dropped down in the 60s, man, and I was freezing because we didn't stop and put our jackets on. But it was a great day. We had an amazing time. And again, just enjoying it with family and friends, man, is the best. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. So tomorrow, we got to get up in 4 hours, leave here by 5 a.m., get to Durango, Colorado, bottom part of the $1 Million Highway, and then we're going to ride it up to Ouray, and we're going to stay in Ouray. So until then, I'm not sure if I'm going to piece these together, but if I don't, stay tuned for part 2, second day of the Colorado trip, 2023, baby. We'll see you in the morning.